a Matsunuko Tancho kohaku. Now, I really like this koi, and the scales are absolutely amazing. Can't really pick up, but the scales down its side are just incredible. You just see that, the purity. It's got a mark there. Don't know why I've tried to treat it, but I'm living with it. And koi do pick up, you know, you buy them and they do pick up these marks and that in our ponds when they're, you know, sometimes messing about, and some torn fin sometimes. But interestingly with this one, although it seems bigger than last year, I've just measured it, and I measured it on the 26th last year. Must have been a bank holiday weekend again. And the strangest thing is, I measured it as 47 centimetres last year, and this year it's 44. So in a year it's shorter, but I think it's got more girth. So I don't know whether this is possible, but it's almost like it's done that, which has made it do shrink in length. Well, it's a strange thing, I know, but that's the reality. I don't know what's gone off, but she is a nice lump. I think she's a she. Disappointingly, I'm going to breed this one, I think, when they're developing. Got some bloody belly underneath on his belly, look. So I suppose technically now it's a kohaku, not a tancho. I suppose some you could, excuse that noise, you know, you could remove those scales, but you're going to then risk infection and things like that. And you know, she wasn't cheap, I must admit, but she wasn't mega bought. I think it was 150 quid when I bought it, 160 quid when I bought her. So I'm thinking in the future, I'm sure she's a she, and I'm going to breed her with a Matsunuko Tancho shower. Gonna have that one out in a minute. There's the Tancho shower. It's there, look. Try and get some fry. So, or I could breed it with another kohaku, but I've not got no. Fucking hell! Oh God, they don't take the eye off them, dear, and I did. Shit a brick. Lesson for all of us there. Alright, lands on the side. Luckily didn't land on the deck. Didn't drop. That's the risk of having them out. Luckily got her back in quick. And didn't land on the bark on the floor. No damage. Let's get her back in quick and we can jump out again. A lesson learned. Keep an eye on him. Try not to do a video at the same time. There she goes. She'll be fine. She's not. I'll let you know. There she goes. Okay. Shit a brick.